Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to mark an appointment booking as completed in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account, and go to websites. Now, next to the online store or the website where you want to install to mark an appointment booking as completed, click on Manage Store. Then this way you will automatically land on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now go to Orders, then open the order that you want to mark as completed. For example, this one. As you see, this is a property viewing appointment. Until now, it is not completed. And to mark it as completed, simply click on this button, Mark as Completed. And you will see this, this window. If you have completed the service, mark it as completed. Click on Mark as Completed again. Item fulfilled. And now this order status is turned to completed. Now, if you go back to the orders, you will see here fulfilled below fulfillment column. And this is how to mark an appointment booking as marked as completed in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.